Before you came round, my heart would never beat much faster.
Hey guys, it's me Maddie and welcome back to this week's video. And for this week's video, as you guys can tell by the title of it, I'm doing an Ipsy unboxing. So it came in its normal pink packaging. What else is new? So anyways, without further ado, let's get right on into the video. Okay, so I have the pink packaging of the Ipsy unboxing, and I'm just going to take it off. Let's open it. So this is the bag that I got, and the design of the bag this month is a bunch of like people. So that's what it looks like, the front and the back. And then the zipper is just pink, so it's a black and white bag, which I really like because it's very simple. And yeah. So first thing that I'm gonna grab out is this little lipstick. It's from the brand Finding I don't know, I'm gonna put the name right here, or here, somewhere so you guys can see it. But it is in the shade, Rose Gold, which, for me, the name is very good. I love Rose Gold, so yeah. But it's just a mini lipstick. I'm trying to show you guys. So this is really good for travel, especially since I'm going to be traveling a lot. So, there we go, I got it. Oh my god. Did you guys just see that? Like, instant replay that, please. So I kind of smudged the, lipstick as I took it out of the packaging. But here is the color of it. The next thing in this packaging is this Bad Girl Bang Mascara by Benefit. So this is the packaging of the mascara, and I'm going to add this to all the mini mascaras that I have, because I have a ton of like mini mascaras. I don't know why, but I do. So I'm going to be adding this one to the collection. Well, that's what it looks like, if my camera will focus. Okay, so the next thing that I got, what is this? Guys, it looks like markers. What is this? Oh my god, they are! I'm stupid. They're Ipsy Create markers, so I'm pretty sure it is so you can draw on the bag, I think. I'm thinking that's what it is, or it's, well, because this talks about being creative, so I'm guessing they added markers in here. Okay, so next thing in the bag is this Gold Faded Facial Detox Clarify and Clear Mask, and basically what it does, it draws the bacteria, and it's a pore cleansing face mask. So yeah, and I'm gonna see if there's a smell to it. There's not really like a defined smell or anything, but yeah, this is what the product looks like. Okay, so the last thing in this bag is this Rocked Jasmine Waterfall Foaming Cleanser, and it removes makeup. So it's this Jasmine Waterfall Foaming Cleanser, and it removes makeup and impurities without over drying the skin. This is what the packaging looks like. Yeah. So I'm gonna see if it has a like smell to it. there's not really a smell to it, but so I squeezed them out of the bottle, and it has a very, like, not thick consistency, but like, I don't know. It's got a little bit of, like, and more like a lotion or, like, cream kind of consistency, but, like, when I, like blend it, I guess, not more so, but, like, rub it into my skin, it starts to foam up, so, yeah, it really has the name, yeah. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did, please give it a big thumbs up, comment below, and subscribe. That would mean the world to me. Let me know in the comments below if you guys like any of these products, if you want a more in-depth video with including these products. So, yeah. Anyways, I will talk to you guys in the next video.